What's up, guys? Back with a YouTube video. And today I'm about to be doing a 5-time pro pack opening. Well, pack opening. So let's get started with the pro pack. Come on. Damn. Large quick sale. Hopefully we get something good. Really want to put 8 million. Oh, 5K. Another large quick sale. Really? What? No way. I'm rich. Let's see if we get some good in the last pack. Come on. He's alright. But no way. Hold on. Let's see how much he go for. There's only one up on the auction block. So I just made 800K profit. 500K plus 350K, 800K. I'm rich.